Good morning. It is Tuesday, March 24th, and just thought I would give you some updates on what's happening as much as I know. So we know that school is canceled for another week. I just wanted to clarify a few things. So I'm just going to read you some statements that were sent to us, and I think they might have been sent to your parents. So here goes some of those statements. The district has received quite a few questions about whether or not work being supplied by teachers is required during this time. The district is providing but not mandating instructional materials for students so students can continue their learning experiences while at home. Teachers are providing feedback on the assignments but are not entering grades in Skyward until we receive further guidance from MDE. And then Governor Whitmer clarified by saying the memo does not mean that schoolwork done during the mandatory school closure won't count toward grades, credits, or graduation. Each district should determine what services and supports they are able to provide during this unprecedented crisis. Many are focusing on meeting basic needs and are working around the clock to provide breakfast and lunch for hungry students. Other districts have the ability to provide more learning support as a result of one-to-one technology initiatives. I am in awe of the work that school employees are doing to support their kids, and I applaud their efforts. And then she goes on to say, as you know, the situation has changed rapidly over the course of the past 10 days. We do not know what the future will hold, but we are absolutely committed to ensuring the needs of our students, parents, and families are met as we navigate these uncharted waters. She will be working in the coming days to ensure that seniors graduate and that no child is held back as a result of our ability to provide face-to-face instruction during the COVID-19 school closures. And she goes on to say to students and especially parents, hang in there, we will get through this. So what does it recommend for students to do? It says, well, it's highly recommended that students complete work during this break. Students still need to continue to learn and be prepared for exams and any upcoming AP exams. When we come back to school, it is important that students have continued to learn in order to ease the educational slide. They also need the routine and contact with their teachers to maintain a level of normalcy during this process. Ultimately, the MDE will determine credits. Based on the MDE guidelines, the district will determine how credit is provided to students. So, will the school year be extended? The Michigan State Legislature will determine if the school year will be extended. No decision has been made at this point. So, though you now know what I know. So, my encouragement to you is I've only given you Alex over these I guess now 3 weeks. So I would encourage you to keep doing that just to stay up with your math and to maybe, like it says, just give some normalcy to your life. So that's your choice. If you notice when I did put some grades in, but I only put in grades for students who actually completed it. I didn't give any other students grades. So if you didn't complete it, you didn't get a 0, you just got a star. So it's not going to impact a grade one way or the other. If you did do it, I wanted to reward you for that. So I put in 25 points. So it will only help your grade. So, I would just encourage you to stay safe, stay in your house. We're trying to move. We packed up one house and we're waiting to move into a new house. We're supposed to do that on Thursday. So that depends on whether or not they have enough workers that are still working, whether we'll move or not. I don't know. I guess I'll be homeless for a few days until we can get all moved. But right now we're living in boxes, and as we need stuff, we have to figure out what box it's in and open it up and find it. But we'll get through this. So, and you'll get through this, and we'll look back and say, wow, do you remember 2020? That was pretty crazy. So stay safe. Let's see, can I give you some kind of an extra credit thing today? Just email me what you've been doing to keep busy, and maybe I'll give you a little bit extra credit for that. So tell me the fun things that you've been doing to stay busy. Sleeping, not really a good thing. Give me something original that you've been doing, or one, even if you've only done it once. So let me know. And We'll talk to you again later this week. Don't forget, there's food giveaways still going on, even though there's a shelter in place. You can get food at Port Huron High on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So it'll be again tomorrow, 9:30 to 11:30. You just pull up in the front parking spot, and we'll hand it right to you right in your car. So I'll be working there tomorrow. So if you drive through, make sure you say hi. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later this week.